So as you can see, my hair is already in parts, and that's because, like I said, I have a lot of hair. Even though it's not long, it's a lot of hair, so we're gonna have to try to do it. So I'm going in between my Eco Styling Gel and my edge control, and I'm basically just working it into the hair. Because my hair is such a thick texture, I wanted to get it to as soft as possible. I knew I couldn't get it very, very straight by blow drying it. So this is the closest to straight it'll get. So I'm just brushing it into a small bun. And you'll see me continue to do this throughout the sections. And child, let me tell you, each section, your arms will get tired. So be prepared. If you have, I guess if like you have a straighter texture hair, this is easier to do. But for me, because my hair is short, it's thick, it's in its natural state, being able to stretch it all the way, it takes a lot of brushing, and yes, my arms does hurt. But I continue to put my Eco Styling Gel, a little bit of edge control, and I just continue to brush my hair and brush and brush and brush. If you have natural hair, you'll be brushing for a while. And then because my ends of my hair are still like a little tangled, I detangled, but that for some reason those ends do not become untangled all the way. I don't know if anybody could recommend some products for that, but because of that I had to go in with a comb. As you see, I'm combing as well. So comb, brush, edge control, gel, and a lot of taming goes into this when you have short hair. So just a little backstory, I cut my hair about 9 months ago all the way down. So this is 9 months of growth. I'm kind of hyped right now. I'm loving the way it's all slicking down on the sides and stuff, but let me get out my chicken head bird voice. Seriously though, I'm loving the growth. It's healthy. I do a lot of braiding and I wear a lot of wigs. So I've noticed though that my edges seem a little thinner than usual. I'm gonna start working on that, and like I said, if you guys have products you recommend for things like that, feel free to drop those in the comments. Yeah, so I'm finally getting somewhere. I'm almost to the top. As you can see, I'm going back in with that comb and the brush. It does take some time. In total time, this hairstyle took me about 35 minutes. It wasn't the longest, but it does take the most time to tame and get the hair into the ponytail because of how short my hair is. So I know for someone else this should take a little 20 minutes, and it's affordable. So I paid about $5 for the pack of hair that I'm about to add in. Totally affordable, quick, cute, elegant, and I feel like you can really wear this hairstyle anywhere because it fits any type of event. So now you see me over here playing with my little baby hairs, trying to see how they lay. But you're gonna see me further do some experimenting. I don't really wear my baby hairs out a lot because as I said, I wear wigs a lot. So I'm just seeing how cute it looks and stuff, or what I can do with it. So you'll see me do something creative in a second, and I don't know if I would ever wear that outside, but I thought it was cute. Yeah, so as I was saying, I'm just gonna like speed the video up because I don't even want you guys to be here all day just watching me. I know I'm cute and all, but I ain't gonna have y'all here watching me all day. So yeah, you see I'm still just slicking down because I want it to be perfectly laid. And so now I'm at the top. I'm parting down the middle. I didn't want a side part or anything like that. Just wanted something simple, and I thought middle parts, I believe middle parts are elegant, they're sophisticated, so I just wanted a middle part. So as you're going to see, I'm going to continue to lay this down, and I sped the video up just so that you guys aren't here all day. So here's a cute little thing I was trying to do. Just do something different with my baby hairs. I thought it was really cute. Depending on where I was going, but because I wasn't, you know, going out or anything lavish like that, I just went back in, and you'll see that later on, and did them like standard regular baby hairs, because I'm really just a simple girl, but I just thought that that was cute when I tried it. Finally, I feel like I'm getting somewhere. Everything is all slicked down, and I'm gonna try again to, like, you know, like on the other side, just to show you guys what it looked like. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did to the other side with my baby hairs. Boop. So let me know if you guys like that, because, like, you know, like I said, I'm simple. The baby, like, it's cute, but, you know, I don't know if I could rock that outside, so I don't know. But you let me know if you liked it in the comments. But boom, we're done. We're finished with the slicking down part, and yeah, I think I did a good job. Well, the best I can do. Now I'm gonna tie it down and let that dry for at least 30 minutes. So now it's time for me to get this braid in, and I usually just use the rubber band, but rubber band popped, of course. Okay, but plan B, put my own, and let's get it rocking. So basically, you're gonna see me go ahead and add more here, because I realized that this wasn't enough for the type of look that I was going for. I needed it to be a little thicker, so I'm gonna go back in and add a little bit more here. So I'm still slicking down little parts, just because, like I said, my hair is short, so it's a struggle, and it's okay. Once it dries, I believe it'll dry and it'll look fab. So completely dry. So you see me doing my little braid. I wanted to make sure it was loose, not too tight, and that it gave like natural vibes. I used a lighter to burn the tips, but not the African burn tips. You just slightly burn, so that way that you keep the braid securely in, and it doesn't just like come apart on you. I'm sticking a few bobby pins in there to cover my bun, my natural bun. And now I'm gonna use a piece of hair to wrap around, so that way the transition from my natural bun to the braided hair is smooth and clean. And I'm using Gots to Be spray to help secure that down. So once I was finished, I'm not gonna lie, I fell in love, and I think I want to wear this all summer, because I've been hot from these wigs. And if you want to take a relaxing time from the wigs, this is the perfect hairstyle. It's cheap, it's affordable, it's easy to do. So yes, 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 if you like this video, please subscribe, please like, please share, and also please visit my website, Wick Avenue, for custom luxury candles. Link in the description.